of hands. The four elements. Do you want to know about the different hand shape elements for better palm reading? If so, then you're in the right place. Reading hand types is the simplest step in palmistry. Someone's hand shape says a lot about their values, attitude, and characteristics. If the results of assessing the hand shape and other steps do not meet at the same point, then it might be a good idea to redo the assessment. We'll define the four elements of hand types that explain someone's personality and character. 4 types of hands for palm reading. To perfect the art of palmistry, you should know about the 4 different elements of hand types. Let's get into it. Earth hands. Short fingers and square palms characterize earth hands. This hand type is often fleshy, firm, and solid. They usually have fewer lines. People with earth hands are strong, like mountains and rocks. They feel most comfortable in supportive roles. Earth people tend to have successful careers and strong instincts. Moreover, they're typically very stable and down to earth. Lastly, they love to work in natural environments. Fire hands. People with fire hands have short fingers and narrow palms. Their narrow palms indicate that they're affected by the environment. The short fingers suggest that they construct short thoughts. Fire hands are often sporty, intense, and restless. When people with fire hands work in a team, they aim for maximum productivity. Because of this, sometimes other team members can be frustrating for them. They're passionate, competitive, excitable, and love new challenges. People with fire hands can find it hard to relax. Water hands. Narrow palms and long fingers characterize water hands. Long fingers indicate that the person is artistic, and the narrow palms of water hands represent their sensitivity to the environment. If you know someone with water hands, you may have noticed how good they are at analyzing relationships. Water people are the most creative ones. They're excellent at counseling and healing others because they depend on their feelings. People with water hands feel most at home when conveying their emotions through art. Water people are easy to influence and naturally open. Air hands. People with air hands love to work in a world of thoughts. Long fingers and square palms characterize these people. Air people have light bones and small hands. They're intellectual and practical, appreciating structure. They spend most of their time analyzing concepts, ideas, systems, and logic. If you have any friends with air hands, you might notice that they ask a lot of why and how questions. This is because they take ideas very seriously and think about them deeply. People with air hands are nonconformist, eccentric, and somewhat quirky. Wrapping up. Palmistry isn't just about lines. The shape and type of hands also matter in predicting someone's future. They also indicate someone's character, attitude, and uniqueness, which influence every step of their life. If you're thinking about starting palm reading, we highly recommend getting comfortable identifying the different hand types to enhance your practice.